I want to talk to you about a problem that affects millions of us: dry eye. We don't all have the same dry eye symptoms. Sometimes I get so irritated, I water more than usual, or I can get red and sting. Sometimes I feel like I'm in a hot desert sandstorm with no shelter. There are lots of reasons dry eye occurs: allergies, air pollution, asthma medication, spending too much time looking at the computer, and so many more. I went through all the possibilities. Luckily, there are plenty of do-it-yourself solutions to help ease the symptoms quickly. And for most of us, a few simple lifestyle changes will do the trick. If these simple changes don't work and your eyes are red and painful, visit your ophthalmologist right away. Dry eye can be a sign that something else is going on with our body. Learn more on how to say bye to dry eye. Visit the American Academy of Ophthalmology Eye Smart website.